No, it's not. It's still. Oh, it's on the ground. On the ground. Circulation.
All right, tornado. Finally.
Here's a road on the ground. Beautiful. It's not gonna hit. It's way up here still.
Go, 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 go!
It's a farmer's road. It's a farmer's road. Trust me. Keep filming. So far away from it. Hey, get on my shot. Here it goes. Hey, will you take her picture, Darren? On the ground, look at that.
Hey, open up the truck.
Wow, wow. Hey, watch the tornado. Jesus. We gotta get closer to this thing. I'm telling you, we're 3 miles away. Hurry.
Focus on the bottom.
Wow, look at that. It's gonna hit that farm. We gotta go. It's hitting that farm. Yeah, but it's so low light. Damn it. Fucking 2 miles away from this motherfucker still.
I thought it was
Beautiful tornado. Absolutely beautiful. Look at it. Look at the heel. Look. Perfect tone.
Alright. Oh, yeah.
We gotta get closer to it. There, we can go. We can get out on this road, I think. Wow!
Wow, dude, this may be the most beautiful.
Big tornado.
Alright, right here's the
Yep,
road.
that's it. We gotta get close, Darren. It's your turn to film.
Oh my god, dude, look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're getting close to it.
Now we're getting
Windshield.
close to it. Now we're getting close to it.
Holy shit.
Get it, Darren. Get the bottom. We got it. That is amazing. That is amazing, Darren.
Oh my god.
Don't take any pictures. They're all good. I'll get it.
Alright.
Whoa! Oh, shit.
Alright, awesome.
We're gonna go stand next to this fucker.
Alright, let's get a picture in front of it right here. Stop.
Hold on.
Dude, we can't intercept it.
Hold on.
Stop, dude. Come on. We're close enough.
Oh my gosh, this is the best tornado I've ever seen.
God. I can't believe it.
Get out here. Ah, crap, the RFD's coming. Best tornado I've ever seen. Look at that thing. Darren, I gotta get out here. Fuck! I told you I was gonna do that, Darren, didn't I?
Yep.
It's gonna stretch. Crap. Alright, we can get a little closer. It's gonna be bright white on the other side, guys.
I can't believe it.
Gonna get windy. I got it.
Yeah, please. Right now, we'll get that lens wet.
I know.
Oh my God! We are right next to it.
I know. Hey, there's a pull up just on the other side's power line, so let's watch it. You got a raindrop on here.
Here, give me. Get that, dude. Please hurry.
All right, let's stop right here. It's almost so much better when you're stopped. All right, stop. All right, come on,
I
dude.
can find my phone.
It's all right. I'll buy you a new one.
Here, adjust the exposure on it, man.
Here, can you film?
Yeah,
Shay, can
give
you
it to me,
film?
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Let Shay. Let me.
Shay, you gotta film this. Just hold
Okay.
this. Zoom in. Let me switch seats with you, Shay.
Oh my God.
Lost my hat.
Okay. You can just climb back here if you want.
Dude,
babe.
don't worry about your hat.
All right, you gotta roll the window down.
Okay.
Shay. There you go. God damn it, ain't no fucking phone. Where's my phone?
Are you guys sure it's not coming right for us? It looks
Not
like it.
coming for us.
Okay, well it looks like it's
Just
me.
fucking film it. This
I
is
am.
Manchester. Oh my God, it's like the second Manchester one. Oh my God. Zoom in.
Coming right for us.
No, it's
I can
not.
see it. Yes, I can.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's,
No, it's
I
not.
can
Shayla,
see it.
you're okay.
Okay.
Calm down.
All right. Well, it's right next to me, so.
You're gonna be fine.
All right.
And dandy.
Okay.
You're gonna freak out.
All right, we're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go back to the north.
We can't go north here. It might come down. Hard. Yes! Fuck! Idiot! Here. Get it. Rope it out. If you get some pictures, it'd be great. It's 200 yards away, got one eagle in there. It's hitting something! Hit something! Just hit something. We gotta go back north. Power flash! Come on, get in the car! Wow! It's hitting something! It's hitting a farm! It's hitting a farm!
Let's go up there if we can.
Just zoom in.
Okay.
It's gonna hit that town. Rozel. Power flash again. That is some beautiful tornado.
That's the most amazing tornado I've ever seen. Roll down your window.
High
a little bit.
contrast.
Roll down your window a little bit. Oh my God, some good photos. My fucking camera wouldn't focus on it.
Let's go one more. This isn't even a road anyways. Roping out. It was hitting some debris down this right here. let's try it.
It's right up
Okay.
there.
Try bye.
See it out your window, Dick?
Yeah. Wow. Is there a new wall cloud or anything to the right?
I can't really see anything right now. But this thing's gonna hit the northern side of this town right here.
Yeah, it's still videoing. Wow, wow, wow. One long track on the ground for like 20 minutes probably now. There it is, hitting that.
Alright, this is a good spot.
Yeah. Shit, you hit it out of focus?
I wanted to make sure. Hey, wait. We can get close to it on this road.
Yeah, let's do it. Wow, it's still on the ground. Oh, look at a horse on a vortice! Keep it on the ground. He just did one of those crazy things. One of those vortices. Think we can beat it on this road?
I think so.
That is amazing.
Right up above us, right there. Or we can get close to it again, right? Yeah. Nonetheless.
Oh. Make sure you get the ground circulation.
Alright.
Shit, this road's kind of muddy. Wow, get the ground circulation.
Wow.
They're dancing. Look at them dancing. The
You have to
vortices.
focus once you...
It should be unfocused.
I'm zoomed in though.
Try it. Look at it. I mean, does it look like it is?
Yeah, when I'm zoomed out. Alright. You want
still a couple hundred.
You want to drive into this one?
Look at the funnel right above us. Look.
Up there, down there.
All right, still a couple hundred yards away.
Up there, pretty much straight up above us. Man, that thing is...
Watch it. There it comes right here.
But it's going to move to the northeast though.
Yeah. Here, get it on the ground. On the ground. Please. Look at the vortices.
Here, you want to stop and film so you make sure you zoom in and make sure you have it in focus?
Yeah. All the way up. Funnel.
Holy shit! You see that?
Oh wait, what's it hitting? It's hitting a house, farmstead right there.
Oh, miss that house, please.
Oh my god. Alright,
Oh, it's strengthening. Oh no! Debris in the air.
alright, hey,
Debris.
I'll film.
Watch out! There's flying debris now.
Wow.
Fuck! Hit that farm.
Alright, well we can go check on it at least. Hey, let me get one shot of it.
Film it, please.
Alright.
Video. Let's get the ground. Should be in focus.
I got it. Alright, the house.
Still got fallen debris. Fallen debris. Hit this guy. Big time damage.
Alright, let's
This guy.
Alright, Dick, we gotta go check.
Okay.
Fun time's over.
It looks like they're gonna be okay. Watch out for those power lines, dude.
Pull back in the laptop room.
Here, I'll pull back in the driveway. Here, somebody's already back there. Go, go, go. Get in.
No, that's a storm chaser.
Damn it, why did you have to hit that house? What just happened there, Shay?
A tornado just hit this house over here. Power lines all down, trees down. Half of the roof's gone.
Shit. The windows are all blown out of that truck, too. Be careful of those power lines! What's Darren doing?
He's going around them.
Yeah, if we go, we can get in front of this sucker.
Sure.
I'll just. It's zoomed in. Alright, that's a research vehicle, isn't it? Alright, let's go.
Wow, look at that snake!
I know.
Oh, it's all the way down!
So I want to get a shot of it. Oh wow!
Shot for you.
Alright. Wow, I want to
All
get.
the way up.
Can I?
It's right there on the ground!
I know. I want to get a shot of it. Stop! Stop! It gets really muddy. We're gonna get stuck if you don't.
There's a ground right there!
Yeah.
Video that, like ground circulation. Where is it? In the cannon back?
It's moving back.